The agreement with NESIC is covering the AI-based automation solutions to cover not only the telco domain, but also other vertical markets where NESIC is operating in Japan. NESIC has evaluated multiple MLOps automation platforms and selected Tupl for the flexibility and the references within the telco domain. This partnership will make possible for NESIC to deploy the Tupl AI and machine learning based automation solutions in their customers. They will benefit from the intelligent process automation that the Tupl solutions bring in the areas like customer care, where they can reduce the response time down to seconds, empowering the frontline care call centers as well as retail to answer live to customer complaints. At the same time, that can provide full automation to the second level in care, removing the need for manual work in the process. Also, on the area of network automation, it can enable to bring network intelligent automation to reduce the level of effort required to run processes like fault management in the NOC or performance management in network engineering. Outside telco, NESIC would be able to deliver business solutions to customers like the government in Japan and manufacturers. Our AI Care solution has been deployed already with Tier 1 customers across the globe. In the US, public references on T-Mobile, US. In Europe, with public references on Beyond Group, Kyivstar. And in Japan, where we are working also with a Tier 1 operator. Now, the frontline AI Care is taking the concept to the next level. It's not only about automating, but enabling a live interactive experience to the call center agents, so that when they are on the phone with the customer, they can get the guidance from this virtual engineering assistant to assist them on the response, on the root cause, and the next best action to solve the customer problem on the spot. That not only reduces the cost and the key business metrics for the call center, but also improve the customer satisfaction and experience, increasing the Net Promoter Score for the call centers. The expected business impact is twofold. On one hand, we have the increase of the first call resolution, as they are able to address the customer concern live with the customer on call. The second one is an immediate derivative of that, so the improvement on the customer satisfaction, as those customers are getting their issues resolved on that first interaction and getting not only a proper, but more importantly, a timely response to their problems. It's an AI-based automation solution to manage the RAN network energy consumption without impacting the network and customer quality. As network energy consumption increase and the energy costs also going up, telcos have the need to reduce their expenses at the same time that they are making also a difference in terms of CO2 footprint emissions, and they need to be able to do that at the same time that they are serving ever-increasing demanding requirements from all of us as consumers of telco service, mobile service, on the experience that we have. So it's a kind of three-leg equation that telcos need to solve. In order to do that, they're getting a good help from the RAN vendors who are providing a very powerful energy-saving functionality in their equipment. But the real challenge is how to activate and how to manage and control those issues. The benefits include an up to 10% reduction in the energy bill and no impact on the customer network quality. Tupl Open Run SMO rig leverage the proven technology used across all Tupl solutions, including cloud native and MLOps capabilities, with the fully compliant Open Run interfaces for O1, A1, and R1. The main feature of the Tupl SMO rig is the ability to empower any network, any RAN engineer to become an R app developer through the UI-based R app development framework. No need to code. Any engineer can be turned into an R app developer. Yes, the Tupl solution is fully ready for live deployment. It can be deployed on any cloud environment or on any dedicated environment. There are two main benefits here. The first one is really enabling any RAN domain subject matter expert, any RAN engineer, to become an R app developer. It's really boosting the innovation as the advanced UI-based R app development framework really allow those domain subject matter experts without coding skills to bring to life and to production those brilliant ideas they all have. Then the second benefit is that with any automation based on machine learning, it comes a challenge, and it's the interpretability of the machine learning. The Tupl solution allows for machine learning interpretability through the integrated contextual situational analysis that is embedded into the development of the R apps. Last but not least, the Tupl SMO rig also provides with a Python-based development environment for our apps that allow any developer to bring up the solution.